In this video, I will show you how to enable Incognito Mode in Google Chrome on a laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can enable Incognito Mode on Google Chrome. As you can see, I've currently got a Google Chrome browser opened. Now, the first way to do this is if you have pinned Google Chrome to your taskbar, what you can do is actually right click onto the Google Chrome symbol, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now, on here, you're going to see an option for a new incognito window. Give that a click, and that's going to open up and enable Incognito Mode on Google Chrome. Next, what you can do if you do have Google Chrome already opened is if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, you're going to see an option here to open up a new incognito window. So give that a click, and again, that's going to enable Incognito Mode. Now, there is also a keyboard shortcut for this. What you can do is hold down the control button, shift, and then press N on your keyboard, and that is a keyboard shortcut to once again open and enable Incognito Mode on Google Chrome on your laptop. So that is how to enable Incognito Mode on Google Chrome on your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.